Hi guys, this is Chandan Mulani and today in this video we'll be having a look at the new Samsung Galaxy M32 5G smartphone. Let me tell you why this is so amazing. Designed as a simple, easy to hold smartphone, it still manages to look amazing. Its simplicity and minimalistic design makes it look gorgeous. Boasting of a powerful new Dimensity 722 GHz Octa Core processor, this phone can handle the heaviest of tasks with ease. In addition, it also has 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. When it comes to the camera, it has a 48 megapixel quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera. It also boasts a 13 megapixel selfie camera as well. With in-camera features such as macro mode, depth mode and ultra-wide mode, the camera of this phone seeks of sophistication. With a 6.5-inch TFT display and an HD Plus resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, the visuals on the phone look absolutely stunning. Let's take a look at its battery. A monstrous 5000 mAh battery ensures that you keep the phone powered up for hours even after heavy usage. The phone is available in two size variants, 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM. To sum it all, the Samsung Galaxy M32 is a powerful smartphone with some amazing features and specs. I highly recommend you to check it out.